Most people think the only way to make money on Binance is by trading. They imagine charts, red candles, green candles, stress, risk, and usually losing money. But what if I told you there is a completely different way to earn on Binance, without trading, without investing, and without risking your own money? And almost nobody is talking about it. Not because it's fake, but because it's not flashy. It's not turn $10 into $10,000 overnight. It's a system, a quiet, repeatable daily crypto income method built directly inside Binance. Today, I'll break it down step by step. And if you apply this correctly, you can start generating daily crypto without investing a single dollar. Let's begin. First, you need to understand something important. Binance is not just a trading platform, it's an ecosystem. Inside this ecosystem, there are reward systems, educational incentives, promotional campaigns, Web3 quests, and ecosystem growth programs. And Binance spends millions every year rewarding users for participating in these systems. Most people ignore them. That's where the opportunity is. The first part of the strategy is Binance Learn and Earn. Binance regularly launches educational campaigns for new crypto projects. Here's how it works. A new crypto project partners with Binance to gain exposure. Binance publishes short educational articles or videos about that project. You read or watch the content. You answer a few simple quiz questions. And when you complete them correctly, you receive free tokens from that project. No investment required, no trading required, just learning and completing quizzes. Now here's the trick nobody talks about. Most users complete one campaign and forget about it, but Binance launches new campaigns frequently. If you check consistently, weekly, you multiply your opportunities. Some campaigns reward small amounts, some reward surprisingly high amounts, especially when the project is new. And when those tokens later increase in value, your reward multiplies. This alone can generate consistent monthly crypto income, but that's just layer 1. Layer 2 is Binance Web3 and airdrop quests. Binance has been expanding heavily into Web3. Inside the Binance app, there is a Web3 wallet section. Many projects launching in Web3 ecosystems distribute rewards for completing simple on-chain tasks. These tasks can include connecting your wallet, completing a swap, minting a free NFT, participating in testnet activities, holding certain tokens temporarily. Often, these activities are incentivized. Projects reward early participants because they want users. This is how early adopters get paid. Now here's where most people fail. They only look at popular coins, but the biggest rewards usually come from newer ecosystems. When you position yourself early and complete multiple quests across different projects, you diversify your reward potential. Some rewards may be small, but occasionally one airdrop alone can be worth hundreds of dollars. Without investment, without trading, only participation. Layer 3 is launch pool and zero capital positioning. Many people think launch pool requires large capital. Not always. Sometimes Binance allows staking of certain tokens that were previously earned for free through Learn and Earn or promotions. Instead of selling your free tokens immediately, you can stake them in Launch Pool to farm new tokens. Now your free tokens generate more free tokens. That's compounding without capital. You're not investing new money, you're recycling rewards. This is how systems are built. Small rewards stacked over time become meaningful. Layer 4 is promotional campaigns and activity rewards. Binance frequently runs limited time events. These include trading competitions, task-based rewards, deposit campaigns, referral boosts, new feature testing rewards. Some require minimal activity. Some require simple engagement, like enabling features, using Binance Pay, or interacting with new tools. Most users never check the Rewards Hub section. That's a mistake, because that section often contains time-sensitive earning opportunities. If you check consistently and participate selectively, you create steady inflow. Consistency beats hype. Now let's talk strategy. If you want daily earning potential without investment, you must treat this like a system, not luck. Here's the smart approach. First, create a routine. Check Learn and Earn weekly. Check Web3 quests twice per week. Check Rewards Hub every few days. Monitor launch pool announcements. Second, never instantly sell all rewards. Sometimes holding increases value. Sometimes staking multiplies rewards. Third, diversify across multiple campaigns. Don't rely on one single event. The goal is stacking. Small streams combined create flow.
Now let's be realistic. This is not a get-rich-tomorrow trick. It's a positioning strategy. It works because Binance wants active users. New crypto projects need exposure. Web3 ecosystems need early participants. You become the participant, and participants get rewarded. Most people chase pumps. Very few build systems. That's why very few earn consistently. There's also a psychological advantage. When you earn without risking capital, you remove emotional pressure. No fear, no panic selling, no stress from market crashes. You operate calmly, and calm operators make better long-term decisions. Let me summarize the full system clearly. Step 1. Use Binance Learn and Earn to collect free tokens regularly. Step 2. Use Binance Web3 Wallet to complete incentivized quests. Step 3. Stake earn tokens and launch pool when possible. Step 4. Monitor Rewards Hub and limited campaigns. Step 5. Repeat consistently. This is how you create daily earning potential without investment. Nobody talks about it because it's not dramatic. It's disciplined. But discipline pays more than hype. Now imagine doing this for 6 months consistently. Imagine stacking multiple token rewards. Imagine 1 or 2 of those projects increasing in value. That's asymmetric upside from zero capital. That's the power of positioning early. If you've been scared of trading, if you've lost money before, if you want to participate in crypto without risking savings, this is your entry point. Not through speculation, but through participation. And the earlier you start, the more opportunities you catch. Because in crypto, early attention equals reward. Most people will ignore this. A few will apply it. And the ones who apply it consistently will be the ones quietly earning while others complain about losses. The choice is yours. Start building your Binance reward system today, and let time do the rest.